Hi and welcome to I Want to Bake Free. हमारा सफर काफी इंटरेस्टिंग रहा है। हम इस किचन में काफी वैरायटीज की ब्रेड्स बना चुके हैं और ऑफ कोर्स खा चुके हैं। You know, I know how scary it is for beginners to bake bread. I used to quake in my crocs when I started off. रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर की कविता हम पर भी applicable है। Where the baker is without fear, the bread shall rise high. Of course, the real line is, where the mind is without fear, the head is held high. Today, we're going to make the traditional Irish flatbread, also known as farl. One of my favorite quick meals is a Swiss dish called Boxty. Brace yourself for Kesar Badam cupcakes with Shrikhand frosting. Today, we're going to make this traditional Irish flatbread, also fondly known as farls, F-A-R-L-S. Actually, अगर देखा जाए तो ये हमारे आलू पराठे का Irish cousin ही है, cousin farls. So let's get started. So we need mashed potato, we need rice flour and tapioca to start with. So I'm just going to lay it out here. This is our rice flour, this is our tapioca flour, and this is our mashed potato. So very, very carefully, all you have to do is incorporate all the flour into your potato. We're also going to add our flavorings. So we're going to add our maple syrup. Also going to add some mixed vegetable flavoring. Then there is garlic powder and ginger powder. So basically, this is a very, very sticky dough. Okay, I think this can do with a little extra. So yes, the starch of the potato does make it sticky, but you can kind of adjust it to the consistency you want along with the rice flour. The Irish feel that they first made bread. But legend has it that American Indians actually realized that when you combine soda with sour milk, it acts as a leavening agent, and this just makes the bread rise. There are people who say that the Irish took this recipe back when they went to Ireland, and soda bread became so popular that it's now part of the Irish culture. So our dough is now ready. A little salt and a little pepper. Here we have our baking tray, and this is parchment paper. The reason I always use parchment paper is so that nothing sticks to the bottom of the tray. So that's what we're doing. Just take a little butter. Just need to grease the bottom of this a little bit and just stick this on. And then what you can do is exactly where the bread is going to be. You can just give this a nice smear, not too much, not too little, just enough. And then place this onto the baking tray. And then just with your hands, just shape it. I'm also going to just drizzle this with a little oil, and we are ready to go. So now that our Irish flatbread is ready, all I'm going to do is bake this in a preheated oven for 40 minutes at 180 degrees. You know, it's really funny, but back in the old days, we used to all bake bread at home. And the Irish were really good at it. In fact, it was part of their culture. In fact, it's also part of our culture. But today, I think in our fast lives, we've forgotten how to use our hands to make something as basic as bread. So that is why, get back to it, this bread is really tasty. Oh, this is lovely. Just outstanding. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a little extra flavor to this. So all I'm going to do is put a little olive oil on it and then give it a little extra flavor by means of rosemary. Flash bake this in the oven for about 5 minutes. And in case you've missed any of the steps, just go back for a quick recap. I'll see you on the other side.
Irish flatbread. Lay out 130-gram rice flour along with 50-gram tapioca starch and 500-gram of mashed potato onto your tabletop. Now incorporate all the flour into the mashed potato by gently kneading it in. Now add 1 teaspoon of maple syrup, 1 teaspoon masala powder seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon ginger powder. Mix it all together until you get a smooth consistency. Sprinkle rice flour if the dough is too sticky. Add salt to taste and crushed black pepper to taste. Now cover your oiled baking tray with a sheet of parchment paper. Smear 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter onto the parchment paper and spread your dough in a thick circular shape in the center of the tray. Drizzle 1 teaspoon of olive oil onto the bread and bake it in a preheated oven for 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Once it's baked, drizzle some olive oil and rosemary for flavor and flash bake it in the oven for another 5 minutes. Your hot, delicious Irish flatbread is ready.